Hey guys, welcome back to Furniture Flipping Teacher and welcome to my classroom. So it's 2020 coming to an end. It's that time of year to set goals for the new year. And I am ready to get started in 2021. So I wanted to share some goals with you, not only to do with furniture flipping, but also to do with teaching. So let's get started. My first goal is about my channel. As you guys know, the main goal of my channel is to bring you guys along the journey of me tackling my student loan debt while flipping furniture. My biggest goal in 2021 is to get that student loan debt paid off in full. I have about $19,150 to go on my student loan debt. And I'm excited and I am ready to get this tackled. And I know with your support of my channel, I will be able to meet that goal with no problem. I want to be able to bring as many people as possible along on this journey of mine and be an inspiration and an encouragement to those who might be in the same boat as me, and to let them know that anything is possible. So with that being said, my next goal of 2021 is to continue to grow my YouTube channel. And as of this recording, I am at 2,936 subscribers. I am blown away and very humbled by this number. Thank you so much to those of you who have been here since the beginning. And if you're new here, welcome to Furniture Flipping Teacher, and get subscribed below so that you can see more content like this and some more furniture flips. My next goal talks about flipping furniture. It is my goal, based off of numbers from my past 4 months and with the amount of student loan debt that I have to pay off, that I want to flip 125 pieces of furniture in 2021. It's kind of a lofty goal, but I'm ready for it. I also need to set a goal for my teacher self, and that goal is going to be separating work and school from what else I like to do at home, which is flip furniture. So as a teacher, I need to be present for my students. It is my goal in 2021 to utilize all of the time that I have in order to prepare things, plan things, and prep things for the next day, the next week, the next month. Keeping other teachers in mind, I have some exciting things coming for you in 2021. We will be working to pay off 5 other teachers' student loan debts. I know I have so much support from my friends and my family, and now you, my Furniture Flipping Teacher family. So thank you so much for that. And I want to remind you that this time of year is a great time to set goals for yourself for the upcoming year. If you have your goals written out or you're thinking about them, be sure to drop them in the comments. I would love to hear what you guys are working toward this year. Like this video if you are excited to see me achieve my goals in 2021. Follow me on Instagram at Furniture Flipping Teacher for more behind the scenes and photos of things that can capture how I am achieving my goals. And I'll see you on the flip side.